your vacuum. Push the hose in back there, just double check your hose. There's no holes in it. Make sure it's got no leaks. The bags, more effective than seal. The better your vacuum, the better seal. Everything will work much better. Make sure you've cleaned out your filter recently. We'll go through that in a moment. Filter clean. We've got our grinder lead up here out of the road. So you'll notice you've got the emergency off button is up. We've got our speed control at around about half, so the button pointing to the top, 50%. We've pressed the reset button, and now we can turn this left or right. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you turn it that way that the motor will be running that direction, because oftentimes the three-phase power, the polarity can be in fact wired in the opposite direction. And the only real reason that you would ever have to be concerned about direction of the diamonds is when you're using PCDs. We'll explain more about that, but if you are using PCDs, it's very important that you make sure that the direction or the rotation of the motor is going the correct way for the use of the way that the PCD is fitted. So now we'll just turn our vacuum on over here.